Hello everybody, today I'll be making a healthy homemade spaghetti recipe. For this recipe, it's very easy to make. Anybody can make it for your family or even for meal prepping. Also, if you're on a protein high fiber diet, this is very easy to make. So we're going to be using grass-fed ground beef, which is very healthy. It's much leaner than regular ground beef and much more nutritional. We got whole grain spaghetti, we got diced tomatoes, we got pomegranate juice, onion, some garlic, and San Marzano peeled tomatoes, and we got some tomato paste, some sea salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and oregano. And you could also add any other seasonings that you would like. So here we're just chopping up the onions and the garlic, but we're going to go ahead and just blend it since it's easier. So now we're going to cook the ground beef. Now we're going to season the ground beef with the seasonings shown before.
Yeah, so something go on.
Once the beef has fully cooked, we'll remove the beef and keep the fat in the pan to cook with the onion and garlic. Now we'll blend all 3 cans of tomatoes.
Sorry, I wanted to smell it. I should have cooked down the pomegranate juice a bit more, but I just didn't want it to burn. But it's alright. This will be, I'm going to leave it as long as possible. It's to cook. Okay, how much I'm going to cook?
Once you've finished making the sauce and the noodles, you can now assemble it and add as much sauce you would like to your noodles to your liking and enjoy.